Premier Farms. This is not sponsored. My family have been traveling to this country outside store for reasons that they create one of the finest syrups, jams, and pies. The best kind you've ever had. If you live in the Hamptons, that is. They ship from these websites. Go to premierfarms.com or call to order 631-722-31. Sorry. The password is 631-722-3931. That's the number. All products are natural ingredients and healthy. Alright, now let's begin with the product. Tonight, we're going to start with Premier Farms maple syrup, beach plum, and fig jam. 3 products that we got from the Premier Farms building itself. Outside, they serve more than just this. They also serve apple cider, peach juice, peach cider. They also sell crab apple jelly. That's what I want to get my hands on. And well, these products are delicious on nut bread. That's this stuff right here. Let's see how it tastes. It's alright, I guess. Not bad. Remember, this is not a sponsor. We got this from a farm, and it's delicious. These are the products that have decided to sponsor our series. These are the latest tea products that we got ordered in from, I guess this is from the mall. Anyways, the products we have here are Countdown to Christmas, Comfort and Joy, Cinnamon Vanilla, Peppermint Barn, Comfort and Joy here. There's Sip and Be Merry, Vanilla Bean Honey for tea. And yes, there's a second one of these products here. Second one of the products that we have on the other side of the desk. Only this one's on a platform. I consider these to be one of my favorites. Well, I haven't exactly got to taste it yet, but they're perfect for any occasion. They're perfect for the holidays. They're perfect for sitting out in the sun. They're perfect for when you sit by a fire in the winter. That kind of stuff. They're good for anything. Any day, anytime, anywhere. Really. Anyhow, it's better than sugar honey. Anytime, it's better than sugar honey. Yeah, I said that. Anyhow, that's all for now, and be sure to check out the comments below on the next advertisement and the next commercial. And check out their website as well. Visit their site at republicoftea.com. And hope you've enjoyed the commercial. Score! Another completed commercial. Another bites the dust. Now that that's done, let's get started on drawing Kabemon from Digimon Universe. Got this. Now, apparently, I don't know much about this guy, except for the fact that he looks like a, well, he's like a piece of sheet paper, or sheet metal, whatever he's known as. Here's the stain on his side of his clothes, on the side of his body. Okay, then, almost done here. Here's the plug. There we are. That is how you draw Kabemon. I hope you enjoyed the commercial, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. And that's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell, and good night.